So over here at the neighbor's place, and I'm gonna help him mill up some lumber today. So this should be good on the sawmill. It's always kind of fun coming over here and doing that. It's a good time. So I'll show you a little bit what we got going on. Some cherry, and I took some video of the boards. I'll throw in here too, what they look like after they've been sprayed with linseed oil and milled and everything. Okay, Copper Dog. Say hi, Copper Dog. Copper Dog, you gonna let me look at the boards now, Copper Dog? Okay, let me look at the boards there, Copper. These beautiful cherry boards, 1-inch boards. I'm sprayed with linseed oil last night. Beautiful. But yeah, I'll give you a look at all this. So here's some cherry that I'm going to be milling up today, some smaller boards, and going around getting what we can out of it. That's good. And some poplar. We're going to give that a go too. So we're still figuring out how to set this all up. So everything's kind of a giant mess because everything's in giant transition, constant transition. So we've got to find a better place to put the boards after we mill them. We know we need stickers and all that stuff. But here's the mill. It's a great little setup. It works pretty easily. Doesn't take a lot of work to push it. The thing is great on gas. And it seems to handle anything I've put it through so far. Up to a 23-inch wide tree. 10 foot long. Frontier sawmill. It's pretty cool. Here Len's got the tractor. So an OS 23 Frontier sawmills. It's a very cool little machine. Got your measurements here. Crank for the measurements. Raise the whole head up and down. A really awesome Briggs & Stratton engine. It's great on gas. Our water tank for lubrication. And that's pretty much it.